Hello, everybody. Once again, come on in. This is Caldera Creative Creations. Woo! I'm happy to be back. Today, I am making a simple wreath. We are working with some of these. You find these in the tree. These are artificial, and a ribbon. We are also working with find some little ornaments, and we got some boogaloos and pine cones. Look around in your leftover box and some greenery. We also need some wiring. Okay, with that said, once again, welcome everybody, and let's get this started. Okay, see, we're gonna put this together. We're just gonna wire it. Happy holidays, everybody, from Caldera Creations. Okay, we're gonna get this wire. We're gonna cut it. We're making a wreath, that you could put up on your cabinet. I'm gonna double it like that. Spin it around and around. Then weave it in there. Get to the other side. There it is. Get this one up. Pin it in. We got it. Yeah. Okay. Gonna get it, and we're gonna spin it tightly. Like that. Oh wow. Take some of the pine out. That's okay. But there. Okay. Wow. How beautiful is that, everybody? Now we're gonna do the same for the top. Get some wiring. We're gonna double it again. I don't know. It seems like it's easier to work with and to see. Okay. Let's go right here. Let's check this out. And there's a lot of, I see some trees. It's the greenery. So beautiful. It's Christmassy, Okay, we're going to get this up in here. There we go. Ay. Okay. Uh-oh. I got it. Oh, look at that. I think I'm getting arthritis in my finger. But the show's going to go on. It must go on. Okay. Okay, look at how beautiful. Just like that. Now we're going to get some decorations. What I have is like the pine cone. We could just put that in there. Let me get my wire cutters and cut some of this off. Okay. Then look at this, bam. So, just even with your leftovers, just gather them together and start visualizing, Visualizing equals creativity. Wow, see? Then let's get that. Let me get this little handy dandy little. Let's get this glue on here. Be careful with this hot. Okay, where we're going to put that? I'm going to put that right in here. I noticed this stuff don't stick really good. I should have put on the pine cone. Hang on, hold up, wait a minute. Let's put it all up in here. Okay, because this is going to be a keeper. Right? I'm not taking this one apart. Wow, okay, bam. Wow, oh, we got some boogaloos. Look at it. Yeah, that boogaloos lost this top. Just going to put these together, and I got some of these leftovers. Look at, wow. Okay, let's be creative and step back and visualize. Okay, let's get these boogaloos together. Put a little glue. Ay. Okay, there we go. I know about this glue. Then we're just gonna. Oh, maybe we could put it with this one. This one looks spectacular, huh? Right here. Wow. Yeah. Just stick this with this, okay? I'm gonna be creative now. Put some glue on here. Wow. I think I might put some hollies in my tree this year. I know it's going to be gold. It's going to be a surprise. I'm still uncertain how I'm going to do my tree, everybody. Wow. But I know it's going to be sparkly. Okay. There we go. Next month, I'm going to get my tree on the 1st. Yep. Real tree. Yay, look at that. Okay. We also got a little drum. Look at. Get a little ornament up in here, huh? Look. How about that? Wow. Okay, let's get this little. Okay. Oh, wow, look at that. How beautiful, everybody. Look at. Then let's see, maybe we could put another boogaloo right here, or right here. Let's think I like this boogaloo because kind of melted down. Here. I think we're going to put this one right here, huh? That look good? Yeah, okay. Let's get this boogaloo up in here. These berries always just make you Christmassy, huh? Okay. We also got some greenery, which, let me see. Should I put some up there? Is that cool enough? Let me check this out. Maybe I'll take a little bit. Put some right here, huh? There we go. We got it. There we go. Right in there like that. Woo, look at that. A little bling bling. Okay, everybody, we are ready for this ribbon. Let me take off this. Okay, now we are going to, one side's already cut on the bottom. We are just going to do a simple tie. This. Ba-ba boom. Bada bam. Ba-bam. Look. Okay. Let a little tail hang out. Depends on you how you want that tail, longer. Because I was just going to twirl it around. Oh my God, look how beautiful. Then just straighten all this stuff out right here. Just easy, affordable little garland, you know. And it's a special garland because you made it, okay? You could give it for a gift or... Oops. Let me... It's going the other way. Pay attention. Okay. Here, okay. I got this now. Right. Da 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 da. There we go. Okay. Open this up. This is the part I keep messing up, huh? Then we're going to put this down like that. And there we go, everybody. We got it. Woo! Now let me pin this beauty up and I will show you the beautiful results. Okay. I'll get my glue gun out of the way. And here we go. Okay. Wow. Just a simple ornament. You could put up. There we go. Let me cut up the rest of the ribbon. Oh, but you could keep the ribbon, you know, to have it up on your, you know, on your shelves. But I am just going to leave the ribbon hanging right here. Wish I had my handy dandy ribbon twister. I could have just twisted it on the side. But yeah, you guys catch my drift, no? Like it. Wow, how beautiful, huh? Just simple. Get some of these pines that down outside your back doors, or then what is not gonna then get fancy with some of your leftover pine ornaments, and just be creative. And once again, thank you guys for coming to my channel. And I think the next one I'm gonna try to get a Thanksgiving wreath. Okay, so with that said, hope you got some inspiration or some ideas, or just enjoyed my videos. Just enjoyed my videos, everybody. And once again, happy holidays, family. I love you. Subscribe, like, and share. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas from Caldera Creations.